well.
Right. Next up with the movers.
Okay, European movers then, yeah. First of all, the insurance stocks were higher today. The likes of AXA in France up 3.6%. ING Group, which we mentioned yesterday, you'll recall, because remember this is a bank insurer, so I thought in both camps, they're up a further 3% today. And Generali, the largest Italian insurance name, up around 2.3%. Why? Well, Barclays has published a bullish note on the sector, raised target prices on AXA and many others, and separately Goldman's has a positive comment out on the UK names. And the Goldman story was basically that the regulatory authorities here are going to look quite kindly upon these Solvency II regulations, which that the insurance companies have to meet, and a more flexible approach from the regulators towards that is good news for the insurance names. And then Intercontinental Hotels, international hotel operator, up 3.15%. They've done a deal. I had to read the article about 3 times before I could really believe it. They've sold a single 503-room hotel in Hong Kong for around $938 million, whilst retaining a 37-year management contract. When you think that the market cap of IHG is around £6 billion sterling, that's a phenomenal piece of business to take in that much money and still retain the management of the hotel. You know, if you could do that every day of your life, you certainly would. So I'm very surprised that they're not up a lot higher than that, but nonetheless,
yes, people don't appreciate that particular way of operating, and it is because they get the best of both worlds there, and I think they've been doing that quite a lot. Or I mean, that's
they have. I mean, they've definitely been selling down the actual physical property side, trying to retain the management contract. But for 938 million for 503 rooms, it's you know. At first, I thought it was Hong Kong dollars, but it's US. It's extraordinary.